Today we're making chicken fajita stuffed buns. In a bowl add flour 4 cups, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 tablespoon yeast, 2 and 1/2 tablespoon butter, 1/2 cup milk, 1 large egg and mix it all well till it forms like a dough. Sprinkle oil about 2 teaspoons and let it stay for 30 minutes at least. Gradually add water and knead smooth dough. Grease with oil, cover it with cling and let it proof for 25 to 30 minutes or until double in size. In a pan of water add salt, red chili powder, red chili flakes and chicken cubes. Cook on medium flame for 15 minutes or until water dries completely and chicken is cooked. Shred the chicken. In a pan heat oil, add garlic in it and fry until light brown. Add onion and cook until translucent. Add shredded chicken, capsicum, green chilies, black pepper, paprika, cumin powder, coriander powder, salt and lemon juice. Mix all these ingredients well and cook it for 1 more minute. Your filling is ready. Take out the dough and make 16 balls each of 32 grams from the dough. Roll out each ball into circle, add chicken filling and cheese in center and make in ball shape again. Grease your baking tray with oil. Place all balls in a baking tray. Brush it with egg and sprinkle sesame seeds on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes or until light golden brown. Garnish with basil leaves. Your tasty fajita pull-apart buns are ready to serve. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy.